This morning I entered the word Puttanesca into Google Translate, and the English translation that it came up with was a word beginning with W and rhymes with more. Then it suddenly changed the translation into anchovies, olives, capers. I don't know what's going on there, but try it for yourself after watching this video and you'll see what I mean. Anyway, here's the recipe. The ingredients are tinned tomatoes, olives, capers, 4 anchovy fillets, crushed garlic, oregano, chili flakes, chopped parsley, and olive oil. Begin by adding the anchovy fillets into some hot olive oil. Give them a crush so that they dissolve into the oil. Add the garlic and cook those for a couple of minutes. Add in the dried chili flakes and cook them for a minute only. Make sure that they don't burn. The tomatoes that I'm using are whole canned ones, so I had to give them a crush. Use the ready chopped variety instead. Then stir in the oregano, olives and capers. When the sauce is bubbling, turn down the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. While the sauce is cooking, cook the pasta. Spaghetti is traditionally served with Puttanesca sauce, but today I'm using pappardelle as I like the way the sauce clings to it. Reserve some of the pasta water before draining. When the sauce is cooked to your liking, stir in the pasta, the chopped parsley and some of the reserved pasta water. The pasta water will help to emulsify the sauce and to cling on to the pasta. Don't add any salt before tasting though, as the sauce may already be salty enough. What's left to answer is the age-old conundrum. Do you serve Puttanesca with cheese or with no cheese?